Welcome to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled with finding a moisturizer that truly caters to sensitive skin, you're in the right place. Today I'm reviewing a product that promises to soothe, hydrate, and restore your skin's moisture barrier. Aveeno's Sensitive Skin Moisturizer Bundle. The set includes their Calms Restore Oat Gel Facial Moisturizer and a trial-size Daily Moisturizing Cream, both fragrance-free, gentle on the skin, and ideal for those with dry, irritated skin. Before we get into the review, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on more honest, in-depth beauty reviews like this one. Now, let's dive right into this bundle and see if it really lives up to the hype. The Aveeno Sensitive Skin Moisturizer Bundle includes two key products, the 1.7-ounce Oat Gel Facial Moisturizer and a 0.5-ounce trial-size Daily Moisturizing Cream. The main star of these products is Prebiotic Oat, which is known for its ability to soothe and restore the skin's natural barrier. The Oat Gel Facial Moisturizer also contains feverfew, which helps calm dry, irritated skin, a key ingredient for those of us dealing with sensitive skin concerns. So how do these products perform in the real world? I used both as part of my daily skincare routine over the course of a week, and here's what I found. First, the Oat Gel Facial Moisturizer has a lightweight, gel-like consistency that absorbs quickly into my skin without leaving any greasy residue. It's perfect for daily use, especially if you're looking for a quick absorbing moisturizer that doesn't clog pores or feel heavy on the skin. I found that my skin felt much more comfortable throughout the day, and even by the evening, it was still hydrated without any signs of dryness or irritation. Now, I'll be honest, I didn't expect the trial-size Daily Moisturizing Cream to be a standout, but it really surprised me. It's slightly thicker in texture than the gel moisturizer, which I love for targeting rough spots on my elbows, knees, and hands. It's rich enough to provide lasting hydration, but still feels incredibly light and non-greasy on the skin. I particularly loved using this on my hands before bed and woke up with noticeably smoother, softer skin. Now, let's go over the pros and cons. On the plus side, both moisturizers are fragrance-free, which is a huge win for sensitive skin. The soothing effect is immediate, and my skin felt much irritated after each use. The formula is also dermatologist-recommended, and Aveeno is a trusted brand in the skincare industry, which gives me confidence in the product's quality. On the flip side, the trial size is relatively small, especially if you plan on using the Daily Moisturizing Cream for your whole body. If you have larger areas to cover, you might go through it pretty quickly. Also, while the gel moisturizer is great for daily hydration, it might not be rich enough for extremely dry or compromised skin in colder weather, so keep that in mind. When it comes to value for money, this bundle is reasonably priced for the quality you're getting. The combination of two highly effective products that work well for sensitive skin makes this a great value. You're not just getting moisturization, but also skin barrier support, which is crucial for those of us with sensitive skin. In comparison to other high-end moisturizers, Aveeno offers a more budget-friendly option without compromising on performance. Now, if you're looking for something similar at a lower price point, there are some alternatives out there, but they may not be as specifically tailored for sensitive skin. Aveeno has really honed in on providing a formula that soothes irritation and strengthens the skin's natural barrier, which is hard to find in budget brands. However, for those who don't mind spending a bit more, you might consider looking into brands like Saviour or Eucerin, which also focus on sensitive skin with a similar ingredient profile. In terms of build quality, both products come in sturdy packaging. The gel moisturizer is housed in a small jar that's easy to dispense, and the Daily Moisturizing Cream comes in a squeeze tube, which is practical and hygienic for daily use. The products are designed to last, and both show impressive longevity in terms of hydration, lasting throughout the day or night without the need for reapplication. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to try the Aveeno Sensitive Skin Moisturizer Bundle, the link is in the comments. As for customer support, Aveeno has a solid reputation for being responsive and helpful, And while I haven't had to contact them personally, I trust that if any issues arose, they'd handle it professionally. In summary, if you have sensitive skin and are looking for a soothing, hydrating moisturizer that works for both face and body, this Aveeno bundle is a fantastic choice. It performs well, providing lasting hydration and calming effects without irritating your skin. The value for money is there, especially considering the brand's reputation for quality. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic. If you've tried the Aveeno Sensitive Skin Moisturizer Bundle, drop a comment below and let us know your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.